Whenever we eat fruit and see seed inside, we naturally wonder whether we can grow something from it or not. So in this video, we are trying to do that with the apple seeds and pear seeds. This will be a fun experiment, and that's not to grow fully mature plant to give us same fruits, because usually that will not happen. We are taking seeds from one apple and one pear, sowing them in a small pot, and at the end I'll show you what will happen after 1 week. Here we are cutting the apple. Just be careful not hurting yourself, and removing seeds. Some of these seeds already look very promising, and a few even seem to have a tiny roots. That is really interesting sign, because apple seed usually needs a cold, moist period before they germinate. So if the seed is already showing the small roots, that suggests it is viable and ready to grow. We are doing the same thing with the pear and removing pear seeds from the fruit. In this case, as you can see, we have only 2 seeds, which is way lower than apple seeds. And that means we will have less chance to develop and have pear seedlings. Now we are preparing a small pot about 3 to 4 inches wide. For the mix, I'm using what already I have, and that's including 50% all-purpose potting mix, 25% peat moss, and 25% perlite. This is not perfect mix, but still work quite well for this experiment. The potting mix gives the base, the peat moss helps hold moisture, and the perlite helps with the drainage and airflow. For starting seeds, a light mix that holds moisture but still drains well is usually a good choice. Let's put them on a potting mix. After that, just let's cover them with a tiny layer of the same mix. I don't want to bury them too deeply, just cover them lightly. Let's do water, and I want to be gentle. For that reason, I'm using spray bottle. This helps moisten the mix without disturbing the seeds. At this stage, our goal is to provide moisture for the seeds in the potting mix, but not making the potting mix soggy, which is not good for seeds. And now, after about 1 week, we can already see new seedlings coming up. That's very good news. But these are apple seedlings, not pear seedlings. Which it kind of makes sense because we had only 2 pear seeds. One important point to consider, do you remember? Some of these seedlings already they had roots. But usually for apple and pear seeds, we need to keep them for a while in a chill, moisture, cold place, then use them and sow them. So that's the result after 1 week. We are already seeing some young plants, which is very nice to start. Right now I'm keeping them under LED lights and not far from bright window. And from here, just we keep watching them and see how many more we will have in next couple of weeks. Especially if we could get 1 or 2 per seedlings will be very nice. This plant may not grow into fully mature plants and give us same apple and pear that we used to get seeds. Still, this is a very interesting and enjoyable experiment for me because I had a good success for lemon, and I want to try to have these small plants grown in a bigger trees and keep them mostly indoor and in summer outdoor. If you are doing same thing, drop me a comment and I'll keep you posted in next few months and years if I have a success with these beautiful tiny seedlings.